Let's say hi to Felicia, calling us from Sellersburg. Hi, Felicia.
Hello.
Felicia.
You know what I want to say.
I know.
Bye, Felicia. We're saying hi, Felicia.
She's like, you're not the first radio chick.
I love it.
Felicia's got blonde hair, drives a VW Atlas, is a preschool teacher, and is married. How long have you been married, Felicia?
Oh, gosh, like 21 years.
Oh, wow.
What's the secret?
Communication.
Communication. All right.
I like that. That's good. It's simple. Keeps it simple.
I do. I like
Don't
that.
ask her anymore. Don't ask her anymore. Don't make it awkward.
Yeah, please
She's a
don't.
She's a teacher. She is a teacher.
She probably surrounded by preschool students. So if I said, what keeps the spark?
Stop it.
In
No.
All right, fine. That'll be later, Felicia, all right? Anyways, all right,
Sure.
It's Mystery Sound. So Kelly's never heard this. You've never heard this. I want you to try and identify what is going on in this clip. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
I think so.
Oh.
Oh, do that one more time.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to hear more of it? Because there is actually 12 seconds of that.
Yeah, play the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. It's not what you may think it sounds like.
Oh, gosh.
I would say maybe horses.
Did you say
Trumping?
what is it? Purses?
Horses?
Horses.
horses.
You think that's a horse?
See, I think it's like a little kid just
Or
like...
pumping or clapping?
Yeah, it sounds like a little kid like slapping his
His
legs
what,
or something.
Kelly?
Playing, slapping his legs or like playing drums on his legs or something. Something like that.
I will
Maybe.
give you a clue. It does have something to do with your body.
Okay.
Once again, Mystery Sound. What is happening?
Snapping?
Ooh, you think snapping?
Yeah, it's got some snapping qualities.
It does sound very suggestive.
I was just thinking like a little kid like playing drums on like a bare thigh or something.
This is actually a Swedish man.
Okay. Does the Swedish part matter?
I don't know.
Okay.
His nationality is what it is.
All right.
I'll give you one more guess. Mystery Sound
Gosh.
has to do with the body. He has broken a Guinness World Record.
Oh, he's slapping his belly.
Tap dancing? Tap something?
Okay, she says tap dancing. I say slapping the belly. He's slapping his belly.
Felicia, I said it has something to do with the body, and you say it's tap dancing?
Well, you could use your body to tap dance.
You're okay. Felicia, you're not great at these games, are you?
This is a hard game.
All right, Felicia, I'll give you one more hint. This Swedish man is cracking 46 joints in his body.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so can you guess what this is? Giving the hint I just gave you. The Swedish
Cracking his knuckles?
Cracking
Fingers?
joints?
cracking 46 joints in his body. Yes,
Yes.
Felicia, you got it. Yes. Ollie London is his name. He broke the Guinness World Record by consecutively cracking 46 joints in his body.
Oh, that sounds painful.
That is the sound. Oh, that last sound that you heard, that is relief.
That's relief.
Right there.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, my God.
Yeah,
That was
is
a good
relief.
one. That was a good one.
Wow. All right, Felicia, you're great at these games.
Listen, that was a difficult. Did
It was.
anybody out there listening know that?
It was.
Did anybody get it?
Listen, it was difficult. I do understand that, and that's why
That was hard.
Felicia, that's what she said. That's why we are giving you the prize for just sitting through this this dog and
Stupid
pony
game.
show.
It's
Yeah.
a stupid game.
All right. So congratulations, Felicia. I'm going to put you on hold another quick sec. We're going to get more information from you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. You're welcome.
Literally, I just didn't want to accept that you had literally just given us the answer, and then you still asked us
Yes,
what the
of
answer
course,
was.
of course.
And I was like, wait, are you tricking
I'm
us?
trying to lay it out very clearly for you.
Wait.
All right. There you go. Mystery game, mystery noise here on 99.7 DJX.